Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top programming languages every web developer should know. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skill set, these languages are essential for building modern, dynamic websites. Think of this like building your ultimate tech setup, but instead of hardware, we're talking software. The tools that bring your digital ideas to life. We'll break down each language, its strengths, and why they're crucial in a web developer's toolkit. From front-end user interfaces to the back-end servers, these languages are the backbone of the web as we know it. So, if you're ready to level up your web dev game, grab your coding editor, and let's get started. First up, we've got JavaScript. You can't talk about web development without mentioning JavaScript. It's everywhere, and I mean everywhere. It's the language that brings websites to life, allowing for interactive elements, animations, and dynamic content updates. Think about your favorite websites, the ones with slick animations, smooth scrolling, and interactive maps. Yeah, that's JavaScript doing its thing. It's the language that makes the web feel less like static pages and more like full-blown applications, and the best part, it's built right into every major web browser. So whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, JavaScript just works. No need for any fancy setups or downloads, but JavaScript isn't just about making things look pretty, it's also incredibly powerful for back-end development, thanks to frameworks like Node.js. This means you can use JavaScript to build the entire web application, from the front end that users see to the back-end servers that handle the data. Now let's talk frameworks and libraries. JavaScript has a massive ecosystem with popular options like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks provide pre-built components and structures that can significantly speed up your development workflow. And if you're into mobile development, JavaScript has you covered there too. Frameworks like React Native allow you to build native-like mobile apps using your JavaScript skills, so you can leverage your web development knowledge to create apps for both iOS and Android. JavaScript is constantly evolving with new features and updates being released regularly. This constant evolution means there's always something new to learn, keeping things interesting for developers. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, JavaScript is an essential language to have in your toolkit. Its versatility, massive community support, and constant evolution make it a top choice for web developers worldwide. Next up, we've got Python. Now, Python isn't strictly a web development language. It's more like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. You can use it for web development, data analysis, machine learning, scripting, you name it. It's known for its readability and beginner friendliness, making it a great language to start with. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful and widely used in the industry, especially for back-end web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask provide a robust foundation for building scalable and secure web applications. One of the reasons Python is so popular is its vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Need to work with data? No problem, there's Pandas and NumPy. Want to dive into machine learning? Scikit-learn and TensorFlow have got you covered. Python's batteries included philosophy means that you often have access to pre-built modules and packages for various tasks, saving you time and effort. This makes Python an excellent choice for both rapid prototyping and building large-scale applications. Another thing that makes Python great for web development is its focus on code readability. Its syntax is clear, concise, and easy to understand even for beginners. This readability not only makes it easier to write code but also simplifies the process of maintaining and debugging existing code bases. And let's not forget about the incredible community support. Python has a vast and active community of developers who are always willing to help and share their knowledge. This means you'll have access to tons of resources, tutorials, and support forums when you need them. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Python is a language worth learning. Its versatility, ease of use, and powerful libraries make it a valuable tool for any developer's toolkit. Chapter 3. Ruby, the elegant craftsman of web apps. Now, let's talk about Ruby. Ruby is all about elegance and developer happiness. It's known for its clean syntax and focus on convention over configuration. This means you can write code that's both beautiful and efficient. But Ruby really shines when paired with its most popular framework, Ruby on Rails. Rails is a full-stack web development framework that emphasizes convention over configuration and rapid prototyping. It provides a structured approach to building web applications, allowing developers to get up and running quickly. Rails follows the "don't repeat yourself dry" principle, which encourages developers to write reusable code and avoid redundancy. This not only makes your codebase cleaner but also easier to maintain and scale. One of the key features of Ruby on Rails is its emphasis on RESTful architecture. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is a set of principles for designing web services that are scalable, reliable, and easy to integrate with other systems. Rails also comes with built-in tools for testing, which is crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of your web application. And like the other languages we've discussed, Ruby has a vibrant and supportive community. This community is known for its welcoming atmosphere and willingness to help newcomers. You'll find tons of resources, tutorials, and open-source projects to learn from. While Ruby might not be as ubiquitous as JavaScript or Python, it's a powerful language with a dedicated following. If you're looking for a language that emphasizes elegance, developer productivity, and rapid prototyping, Ruby on Rails is definitely worth exploring. Chapter 4, PHP, the workhorse of the web. Next up we have PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a scripting language that's been around for ages. It's a server-side language, which means it runs on the web server rather than in the user's browser. PHP is widely used for building dynamic websites and web applications. In fact, it powers a significant portion of the web, including popular content management systems like WordPress. PHP is often used in conjunction with databases like MySQL to store and retrieve data. It allows you to embed code directly into HTML, making it relatively easy to get started with web development. One of the key advantages of PHP is its wide adoption and extensive documentation. This means you'll find tons of tutorials, resources, and a large community of developers who can help you if you get stuck. PHP has evolved significantly over the years, with newer versions introducing features like object-oriented programming, namespaces, and improved performance. While PHP might not be as trendy as some of the newer languages on the block, it remains a solid choice for web development, especially if you're working with content management systems like WordPress or need a language with a vast ecosystem of libraries and extensions. Chapter 5, TypeScript JavaScript, but with a safety net. Finally, let's talk about TypeScript. Now, TypeScript is interesting because it's not a completely separate language from JavaScript. It's actually a superset of JavaScript, which means that any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. But TypeScript adds a key feature that JavaScript lacks: static typing. What does that mean? It means that you can define the data types of variables, function parameters, and return values. This might seem like a small thing, but it can make a huge difference in the long run, especially as your codebase grows. Static typing helps catch errors early in the development process. With JavaScript, you might not realize you have a type-related error until you run your code and see it break. TypeScript, on the other hand, can flag these errors during the development process, saving you time and headaches. TypeScript also improves code readability and maintainability. When you explicitly define data types, it becomes much easier to understand what your code is doing, even months or years down the line. And the best part? TypeScript compiles down to plain JavaScript, which means it can run on any browser or platform that supports JavaScript. So you're not limited in terms of where you can use your TypeScript code. TypeScript has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, especially for large-scale web applications. It's used by companies like Microsoft, Google, and Slack to build robust and maintainable code bases. If you're serious about web development and want to write cleaner, more reliable code, TypeScript is definitely worth checking out. It might feel a little different at first, but the benefits of static typing and improved code quality are well worth the effort. And there you have it. These are the top programming languages every web developer should have in their toolkit. Which one are you excited to learn next? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, mastering these languages will open up a world of possibilities in the ever-evolving world of web development. Keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one.